Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an aloe vera and avocado mask. And right now I'm just cutting up the avocado. And I'm going to take that big seed out. And then I'm going to peel the skin off so that I can put it in my blender. This is my mixing bowl and I'm just going to peel the skin off. And when you're doing this, make sure you have like a Ninja blender or a really good blender, because the avocado leaves chunks and sometimes it's kind of hard to get out of your hair. So you want to make sure it's well blended. Now I'm taking my aloe vera leaf that I just got from the grocery store, and I'm going to cut it into several different pieces. I'm just going to cut it, and then I'm going to peel the skin so that I can get the gel out of it. So I'm just cutting it, you know, to try to get most of the gel out. This can get very, very sticky. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get all of it out, but I try to get majority of it out. Because as you get closer to like the skin part or whatever, or the leaf part, it gets really, really sticky and messy. So I'm using avocado oil with my mask. You can use any oil of your choosing, whatever works best in your hair to mix in with this. And then I'm also going to use the Jamaican black castor oil. And then I'm using some biotin. I like that. That's good for hair growth. Okay, now I'm just mashing it up. You don't really have to do this, but I'm trying to make sure that it's not going to be lumpy, because the last time I did the avocado mask, it was really, really lumpy and it was hard to get the stuff out of my hair. So I'm just making sure I'm just doing an extra step to kind of mash it together before I put it in the blender. Now you want it to be a creamy consistency, just like that, with no lumps. Now I'm just applying it to my hair. And I usually do this after shampooing. Some people might want to shampoo it. I don't know if it works as good if you shampoo it right after, but I usually do this after shampooing, and then I rinse my hair out and add my conditioner and detangle my hair. I'll put the benefits of the avocado mask in the description box just in case you want to try it. And I will also put the ingredients in there. Alright, ignore me talking right there. I'm not really sure what I was saying. I decided to edit that out because I get to rambling. But I rinsed that out like I said, and I put my conditioner in my hair, and then I detangle it. It really leaves my hair feeling soft, and the biotin really helps with hair growth. So that can be just a cheap deep conditioner for you. And like I said, I will put the benefits and the ingredients in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press that bell so you will get notified anytime I post another video. Bye.